to go?
You gotta be kidding me.
Sorry?
You're Elon Musk.
What if I told you Elon Musk didn't just get lucky with Tesla? His billions come from a secret playbook of risky investments. Some so bizarre they sounded like scams. From gambling his last dollar on rockets to manipulating crypto with a single tweet, these 5 insane moves made him one of the richest men alive. Number 3 will blow your mind, and if you stay till the end of this video, then we have a bonus tip for you only. This is Review Daddy, where we expose billionaire secrets for future billionaires. Let's dive in. Zip2, 1995. Before Elon Musk became a household name, he was just a 24-year-old dreamer with $28,000 borrowed from his father. In 1995, he co-founded Zip2, an online business directory for newspapers. Back then, most people thought the internet was a passing trend. Remember, this was before Google even existed. Newspapers like the New York Times and Chicago Tribune used Zip2 to bring their classified ads online, and suddenly Musk's crazy idea didn't look so crazy anymore. In 1999, Compaq bought Zip2 for $307 million in cash and $34 million in stock options. Musk walked away with $22 million, his first fortune at just 27. Most young millionaires would have retired, but Musk wasn't wired for comfort. He wanted bigger risks. So, where did he place his next outrageous bet? Musk gambled his first fortune on a crazy online bank called X.com, PayPal. Instead of playing safe with his new millions, Musk doubled down on risk. In 1999, he launched X.com, one of the world's first online banks. At a time when people were still afraid to shop online, Musk was betting everything on digital money. Customers could transfer funds with just an email address. Revolutionary in the late 90s. But X.com faced huge internal battles, eventually merging with a rival startup, Confinity. That merger created what we now know as PayPal. In 2002, eBay swooped in and bought PayPal for $1.5 billion. Musk was the largest shareholder, pocketing $180 million from the deal. Most would have bought islands or yachts. But Elon decided to gamble nearly everything on an industry with a 90% failure rate. What insane gamble was that? Musk started building rockets with 3, SpaceX, 2002. Rockets were considered a billionaire's toy, but Elon Musk didn't even have billionaire money yet. In 2002, he poured $100 million of his PayPal fortune into starting SpaceX. Experts laughed. NASA insiders told him private rockets were impossible, and the critics seemed right. His first 3 launches failed spectacularly, burning through nearly all his cash. By 2008, Musk was weeks away from bankruptcy. But then came the miracle. On the 4th and final attempt, the Falcon 1 rocket reached orbit, making SpaceX the first private company to do so. Just in time, NASA awarded SpaceX a $1.6 billion contract. Musk had literally gone from broke to back in the game overnight. But space wasn't his only ambition. He also wanted to save Earth. How? The car industry with Tesla. When Elon Musk invested in Tesla in 2004, it was a small startup most people had never heard of. Electric cars were mocked as slow, ugly, and impractical. Glorified golf carts. Musk didn't just invest. He put in $6.5 million of his own money to become the largest shareholder and chairman. But Tesla nearly died during the 2008 financial crisis. Investors fled, and the company was on the brink of collapse. Musk famously said he was borrowing money for rent while pouring his last $70 million into Tesla to keep it alive. Critics laughed, but Musk was dead serious. He wanted to prove electric cars could be faster and sexier than gas cars. Today, Tesla is worth over $800 billion, and it didn't just survive, it redefined the auto industry. But Elon wasn't done yet. What if humans could merge with machines? Elon Musk founded 5. Neuralink, a brain-computer interface called Neuralink. If SpaceX sounds crazy, then Neuralink sounds impossible. Founded in 2016, Neuralink is Musk's boldest attempt to connect the human brain directly with computers. The vision? To cure paralysis, restore vision, and one day allow humans to merge with AI. Neuralink's early experiments included implanting chips in pigs and monkeys, showing they could control cursors and even type with their thoughts. In 2023, the company achieved a huge milestone: FDA approval for its first human trials. Critics call it reckless science fiction, while supporters see the dawn of a new medical revolution. Musk insists it's not just about medicine, it's about survival. He believes artificial intelligence could outpace and even destroy humanity. Neuralink, in his mind, is a defense mechanism, a way for humans to keep up. But while Neuralink focuses on merging man and machine, what's Musk's most recent gamble into the future of AI itself? By the way, quick pause, because if billionaires care about protecting their money, you should care about protecting your data. That's where today's sponsor, NordVPN, comes in. Think of NordVPN like a private vault for your online life. It shields your browsing, blocks trackers, and keeps hackers away, whether you're on public Wi-Fi, traveling, or just scrolling at home. Plus, it lets you connect to servers all over the world so you can access content that might normally be locked in your region. Click the link in our description box now to get an exclusive deal plus a huge discount. Protect yourself today, because privacy is wealth too. 6xAI 2023, his AI startup. By 2023, Elon Musk had conquered rockets, cars, and even brain chips. But one thing still haunted him: artificial intelligence. Musk co-founded OpenAI in 2015, but later left, warning that AI could become humanity's biggest threat. Instead of staying on the sidelines, he launched xAI in 2023, a direct rival to ChatGPT. His mission? To create an AI that seeks truth instead of manipulating humans. xAI is now integrated with X, formerly Twitter, giving Musk instant access to hundreds of millions of users. With AI projected to become a $1.8 trillion industry by 2030, xAI could be Musk's biggest moneymaker yet, or his riskiest gamble. Just like Zip2, Tesla and SpaceX, people call it crazy, but history shows Musk's crazy bets have a way of becoming the future. The real question is, will xAI make him richer or rewrite the world itself? Here's the part nobody wants to admit. Musk wasn't just lucky, he was reckless, obsessive, and willing to lose it all. And that's exactly why he won. Meanwhile, most people stay broke trying to save their way to wealth. So ask yourself, are you playing it safe or are you playing to win? Watch Review Daddy's Billionaire's Playbook to learn the hidden moves billionaires use to stay untouchable.